we break it down right here. So, the much awaited Huawei Mate 50 series of flagship smartphones has gone official in China. Well, the lineup includes 3 models: the Huawei Mate 50, Mate 50 Pro and the Mate 50R as Porsche design. Well, the lineup also includes an upper mid-range phone called the Huawei Mate 50e, which basically features the Snapdragon 778G processor with 4G chipset. Anyway, here are my top best features of the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. Well, the first in the list is the X-Mage camera branding. Yup, the Huawei Mate 50 series comes with the X-Mage camera imaging system, and according to Huawei, the new imaging technology has been designed and developed after 5 years of research on mobile photography, and Huawei said that it is constructed on 4 major technical bases: light, device, electricity and computing. These are the key pillars that drives X-Mage into the Huawei Mate 50 series, and the new imaging system helps you to take high quality images with lots of colors, sharp details and beautiful vibrance. Like the pictures that comes out of this camera will blow your mind because it will not require any type of editing in it. But the second best feature in the list is variable aperture camera system. Well, the Huawei Mate 50 series is beauty with beastly camera system that is launched with various new technologies. So the Huawei Mate 50 Pro and RS are boosted with the same arrangements and different megapixel counts. Well, these 2 models bring a 50 megapixel main camera, but it's not just an ordinary camera system, because it has a 6-blade variable aperture technology in it. So what does it really do? Well, it allows you to maintain the light to the sensor by allowing you to switch the camera aperture between the largest f1.4 to the smallest f1.4. Isn't that amazing? The variable aperture tech is used to enhance brightness in the pictures and captures brighter images. The main camera also has OIS to ensure that your images and videos stabilize at the peak. Also, it helps you to take high quality images with a lot of colors and sharp details. Well, you guys were thinking I'm only talking about the camera features. Well, I told you guys already that the Huawei Mate 50 series key feature will be its camera. So now it is having the zooming capability of 200x zoom. Even Huawei promised that the phone offers 200x super zoom with the Mate 50 Pro, as they maximize the camera capability to the top of the mountain, which is insane. Well, the fourth feature in the list is satellite communication, and it's really cool. And the Huawei Mate 50 series will be the first device to have this feature. So according to the information, this feature lets you conduct calls and communication services even when the phone has no local network services. However, an active service provider is required to support such a feature and link your phone directly to the satellite communications in case you enter into a low network coverage area. Well, it's a real deal, and such a feature will offer great functionality in users' hands. Last but not least feature in the list is emergency battery mode. Well, the devices are packed with 4700 mAh of capacity in the Huawei Mate 50 Pro and RS version, while the standard versions comes with a 4460 mAh of battery. But my favorite feature is the new emergency battery mode, which could extend the phone's lifetime from only 1% battery level and use it for like 3 hours of standby, which is like phenomenal. You can always on this feature in any kind of emergency if you want your battery to stay longer than you expected. So these were my top features of the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. Well, which feature did you like the most? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.